Big news in the future of aviation and logistics, because one company is taking a very different route compared to the usual air taxi hype. While most of the industry is focused on flying people, Elroy Air is doubling down on something far more practical right now: autonomous cargo delivery. And that strategy just earned them a major spot in a new US government program. So if you're curious about where the real future of air mobility might be heading, this is something you'll want to pay attention to. So let's get started. Elroy Air has officially been selected for the eVTOL Integration Pilot Program, also known as EIPP. This initiative, launched by the US Department of Transportation, is designed to help regulators and private companies test and scale next-generation aviation technologies in real-world conditions. The program itself is part of a broader push under the Unleashing American Drone Dominance Executive Order, which aims to accelerate the development and deployment of advanced air mobility systems across the United States. In simple terms, the government wants to move faster and bring companies along with it. Now here's where things get interesting. Most companies in this program are working on air taxis or modified passenger aircraft. But Elroy Air stands out because it's not trying to carry people at all. Instead, the company is focused entirely on cargo. Its aircraft, called the Chaparral, is an autonomous cargo VTOL drone, built specifically for what's known as middle-mile logistics. That means transporting goods between distribution centers, ports, and remote facilities, not last-mile delivery to your doorstep, but the critical link in between. This focus gives Elroy Air a big advantage. By avoiding passenger transport, the company sidesteps a lot of the complex safety and regulatory challenges that come with flying humans. Their bet is simple: cargo will scale faster than passenger air mobility. So what exactly can this aircraft do? The Chaparral is designed to carry up to 300 pounds of cargo over distances of around 300 miles. That's a serious range for a VTOL platform. It uses a hybrid electric propulsion system, which means it doesn't rely entirely on charging infrastructure. This is a huge deal, especially in remote or industrial areas where charging stations simply don't exist. Another standout feature is its detachable cargo pod system. Ground crews can quickly load and unload cargo by swapping pods, allowing the aircraft to stay in operation with minimal downtime. In logistics, time is everything, and this design is clearly built for efficiency. This isn't just theoretical. The Chaparral is being positioned for real industries where speed and reliability are critical. Think offshore energy operations, disaster response, and industrial logistics. Under the pilot program, these aircraft will be tested across the US Gulf Coast, where aviation already plays a key role in supporting energy infrastructure. That makes it the perfect testing ground. Elroy Air isn't doing this alone. The project is part of a proposal led by the state of Louisiana, in partnership with aviation services provider Bristow Group. Bristow is a longtime partner and early customer of Elroy Air, and together they plan to deploy the Chaparral across Louisiana, Texas, and Mississippi. These regions rely heavily on aviation for offshore and industrial operations, so integrating cargo drones here makes strategic sense. Operations are expected to begin in 2026, giving regulators and operators a chance to evaluate how large autonomous cargo drones can safely operate within the national airspace. For the aviation industry, this kind of real-world testing is crucial. Advanced air mobility is still facing major regulatory and operational challenges. It's one thing to build the technology, but scaling it safely across a country is a completely different challenge. Programs like EIPP aim to bridge that gap by allowing companies to work directly with regulators like the Federal Aviation Administration. This collaboration helps shape the rules while the technology is being tested. And there's already strong demand. Elroy Air says it has a backlog of over 1,000 aircraft across both commercial and defense customers. That's a clear signal that the market is ready for this kind of solution. To meet that demand, the company is expanding its manufacturing capabilities. Earlier this year, Elroy Air signed a deal with Abu Dhabi-based BARC Group to create a joint venture. The plan includes a $200 million investment in a manufacturing facility in Abu Dhabi, which will produce Chaparral aircraft for markets across the Middle East and North Africa. So while the world is busy imagining flying taxis, Elroy Air is quietly building something that might scale much faster: autonomous cargo drones that solve real logistics problems today. With government backing, strong industry partnerships, and real-world deployment starting soon, this could be one of the most important steps toward making advanced air mobility a reality. So that's it for today. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, peace.